Happy birthday to Rollercoin! On the 15th of May, Rollercoin will celebrate their 6th anniversary, and to celebrate there's going to be some great progression events, puzzle events, and loads of other things. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, 6 years of Rollercoin. It's been an awesome adventure, and now it's time to celebrate. On my screen here you can see the Rollercoin blog, which was released on May the 13th. This video will be out on the 15th of May on Rollercoin's birthday. So let's see, destination, birthday party celebrating Rollercoin's 6th anniversary. Now I am accessing this blog through the game itself, so on the last icon here on the left hand side you can access the blog directly and then find the blogs that Rollercoin release, and you can find this blog and just click on that and it will open this, but I'll leave a link directly to it below this video. So hold on tight, rollers, because we're about to break the space-time continuum. This May, Rollercoin celebrates its 6th anniversary, and we have planned a series of thrilling events to make it just unforgettable. Let's see what awaits. So back to the roller event. Progress through time and claim your reward. So this is going to be a progression event. Rollercoin birthday puzzle event. So receive your birthday postcard along with prizes from Hamster, time traveling crafting office, craft yourself a set of true mining legends, special birthday sales, the new mining beasts are about to arrive, don't miss out on them, and a bunch of activities and prizes for our creative community. So back to the roller progression event, that's going to start on the 15th of May, which is today when this video will be out, until May 20th. So back to the roller. Okay, who wouldn't want to have their own DeRolean? DeRolean, nice, I like that. Well, starting May 15th, you will have such an opportunity. 8.8 petahash with a 6% bonus, but let's see the details. So back to the roller event is a 30 levels to pass event, 50% discount on the multiplier, that's awesome. So for each 10 RLT spent, you'll be getting ×2 multiplier instead of ×1, if I'm understanding that correctly, but we'll find out later on today, 15th of May. A lot of more powerful miners with such legends as Mineversary, Crypto World and Roller Million among them. A total power of 17.62 petahash per second is awaiting for this progression event. So this that you can see in the picture right here, the DeRolean, is a premium reward, okay, and it can be overclocked to 8.8 petahash per second for time travel. So this 8.8 petahash with 6% bonus might be if you actually merge it to the Unreal version, okay? It's saying it can be overclocked. So we'll see about that and see if it's something that you actually need to merge in order to get that power. But from this sentence, I believe that is the case, okay? So don't miss out on this opportunity. Roller birthday puzzle event. It's back, and yet again even better than ever before. There will be a total of 16 tasks of 2 types available in general, playing mini games and exchange RLT quests. The top tier rewards can be obtained with just 8 points. This means you can just do mini game tasks, fully complete event with them, and get a ton of good rewards for free. Overall, you can get 1,250 RST, 4 incredible miners, lots of parts and power. And on top of all of them, Arcadester, 2.8 petahash with 2% bonus, and Mine and Dance at 1.89 petahash with 1.5% bonus, which can drop randomly. Also, there are 2 of Mine and Dance and Arcadester available in the event, allowing you to merge them into something even more powerful. That's going to be starting on May the 17th with the Roller Birthday Puzzle event. So, time traveling crafting offers. So, we're also going to have this running from May 15th to May 18th. So, 3 days of a journey back to the past. Every day, a new set of memorable miners available for crafting will be waiting for all roller travelers. Back to the Future crafting offer. Have you ever dreamed of obtaining that legendary hoverboard? Well, get ready to craft one. Defy gravity and time with the new rollerboard at 211 terahash with a 4.5% bonus. So this doesn't have all that much power, but it's got a big bonus, 4.5% bonus, okay? Available for crafting from May 20th till May 24th. Special birthday sales. There'll be a couple of special birthday sales running from May 19th to May 21st. Back to the roller miner with 2.8 petahash of power and the whole 3% bonus for only 88 RLT. Not sure if this will be able to be sold on the marketplace, so we'll need to find out between May the 19th and May the 21st. Rollercoin 6-year celebration, back to the Roller 6. So community contests, get amazing prizes. 6 years is quite a journey and we wouldn't have reached this incredible milestone without you rollers, yeah. The most talented, creative and dedicated community ever. You've amazed us with fantastic artworks, minor designs and even culinary masterpieces. Even more birthday contests are on the way to showcase your creativity and of course win amazing prizes. So one of them is going to be the Roller Comics competition, a contest for those ready to show off their artistic prowess and storytelling skills to win amazing crypto prizes. Okay, so you can win up to 300 USDT, okay, just by doing this and taking part in this competition. So that is pretty much all for this one. May 15th, we start with the adventures with Back to the Roller, okay, progression event. So stay tuned for that. And there will also be on May 15th as well the crafting offer, which will run from May 15th to May 18th as well, okay, during the progression event. So progression event and crafting offer, hopefully there'll be some good rewards and good points in the progression event, which I will be covering later on, maybe either on Thursday or Friday this week for the progression event. During that progression event, if there are good crafting offer points, you can actually leverage those points and actually get even more rewards through the progression event and at the same time get the crafting offers as well. So that would be awesome. So I hope that you did find this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.